就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka Music here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this is Hakka singer Wing with his song called Please Speak Hakka, encouraging people to speak more Hakka, of course. But back in the days, Taiwan was under martial law, and if a student is caught speaking a local dialect, they have to hang a sign on them saying, please speak Mandarin. And then the student would have to catch other people speaking dialects to pass that sign on. That's why you're hearing a 007 theme to it, to represent this spy versus spy process. But today, of course, we want to encourage you to 呛講客家 or please speak Hakka.
講跳擺嘅世界，講客話會半同學路，生紅會掛嘅拍野下，請說國語。那個天馬衝能能去，鳥都唔愛鳥下雨雨，教師對走來走去，真神奇。多了下，我愛的教育。合法打招呼啊哈基本的門口一起說客語愛教你講你好漂亮誰們很講感想一生夢年有空來玩有閒來了吃飽了嗎是飽為夢最後愛好了幾愛愛你說客語愛講一講你好漂亮誰們安講感想與什麼你有空來玩有閒來了吃飽了嗎是飽為麼最後大家共下來後最後大家共下來後最後大家來後客家話
呛講客家，没错，我们现在都可以大方的说客语、学客语哦。这个客家歌手罗文玉呢，故意用这个007的电影音乐哦，来比喻以前戒严时期的时候一种叠对叠的过程。学生呢要去抓其他的学生讲方言，然后呢那个学生就会被挂上请说国语的牌子啊。不过呢，现在时代已经不同了，我们真的可以大方的说呛講客家，来，大家一起挂上请说客语的牌子吧。That does today's Hakka song on ICRT. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.